In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best electric scooters in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which electric scooters is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Swagtron Electric Scooter. Upgrade to a larger 300-watt motor. Our flagship foldable scooter has an upgraded motor that gives riders the power to move up to 18 miles per hour, Bluetooth enabled, yes. Enhanced power battery to extended swag. You should focus on the ride, not the charging. The 36-volt long-range battery is extremely efficient and can go up to 11 miles on a single charge. It takes just 3.5 hours to charge fully. Advanced honeycomb tires. Say goodbye to flat tires with our maintenance-free 8.5-inch honeycomb tires. They are puncture-proof and extra smooth. Single-click folding. The Swagger 5 Boost can be folded down quickly using a foot-actuated folding mechanism. Ideal for when you want to swag and go. Simple storage and portability. Swagtron app, LED headlights, speed indicators, and 3 speeds make the Swagger 5 Boost the perfect companion for commuters. The app-enabled Swagger 5 Boost electric commuter scooter is now even more convenient. Here is the item number 4, Segway Electric Scooter. The new sensation for big kids. The Segway E10 children's electric scooter is powered by a 150-watt motor. It can travel up to 10 miles per hour and can carry a maximum weight of 132 pounds. It's suitable for kids and teens between 4 feet 3 inches and 5 feet 3 inches. E10 offers safe and comfortable riding. It has a high-performance handbrake system that includes the EBS energy recovery brake function. The rear fender also features a brake function. For a smoother ride, the front wheels have a spring damping system. It is lightweight and foldable. The body weighs only 18.7 pounds and is easy to fold. The vehicle's design is compact and portable when folded. It can be stored in the trunk and is easy to transport. You can now ride your kick scooters in an electric boost mode. You need to kick the scooter to get it started. The scooter will continue to glide along without you having to push the throttle. The item number 3, Segway Electric Scooter. Segway E8 Kids Electric Scooter. The powerful 130-watt motor makes the Segway E8 children's electric scooter capable of reaching speeds of 8.7 miles per hour and traveling up to 6.3 miles. It can also carry a maximum weight of 110 pounds. This scooter is suitable for children aged 6 to 12 years with a height of 3 foot 9 inch-49. E8 children's electric scooters offer safe and comfortable riding. The brake function is available on the rear fender. Front shock absorption is available to provide a smooth ride. The scooter is lightweight and foldable thanks to its aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frame. It weighs only 17.6 pounds. The E8 electric scooter folds easily and is portable and lightweight. You can now ride without restrictions with the new electric boost riding mode. Try a new way to ride kick scooters. You need to kick the scooter to get it started. The scooter will glide along without you having to push the throttle. Acceleration is faster if you kick harder. Power on, turn E8 on. The buzzer and indicator lights will go off. Number 2 in our list, Razor Electric Scooter. Innovative power core technology uses a maintenance-free, 85-watt hub motor with high torque that accelerates to speeds of up to 10 miles per hour when you push the throttle. The 12-volt sealed lead-acid battery can be recharged and provides a longer ride time of 65 minutes. Rear-wheel drive offers better balance control and traction for a more stable and safer ride. For a solid ride, it features a lightweight, all-steel frame and fork and a flat-free, airless rear tire. Additional features include a retractable kickstand and a front brake that can be operated by hand. Razor PowerCore E90 electric scooter offers a remarkable 65 minutes of continuous riding time. The innovative kick-to-start hub motor provides a smooth ride and more torque to take the performance to the next level. Simply step on, kick off, and go. Razor PowerCore E90 has rear-wheel drive, which delivers more traction and stability. You can feel smooth acceleration by simply pushing the throttle and cruising at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. Razor Power Core E90 has an all-steel frame, fork, and flat-free airless rear tire. The top one in our list, Razor Electric Scooter. Kickstand, retractable. Some assembly is required. The motor is 100 watts, high torque, single-speed, chain-driven motor. It delivers electrifying entertainment at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. You can use the 24-volt sealed lead-acid battery for up to 40 minutes. For a smooth ride, the 8-inch air-filled front tire softens rough surfaces. The frame and fork are made of steel for a sturdy ride. The Razor E100 Electric Scooter combines power and thrill for an electric scooter ride that's both fun and thrilling. This scooter will take you to your destination in style, whether taking a quick trip around the block or going to the park. You can travel up to 10 miles per hour with the high-torque 24-volt chain-driven motor. The vehicle features a twist-grip throttle accelerator control and a hand-operated rear brake. The battery can be charged in just minutes and you can cruise for up to 40 minutes. The kid-sized frame and deck are great for kids who enjoy playing outside and chatting with their neighbors. This Razor E100 Electric Scooter will give your child the speed they desire. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best electric scooters amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.